Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix microphone not working on peak, the easy method. So the first thing that you want to check is to simply head over into your sound settings. So you just want to click on the system tray right here, click on open sound settings, and then you want to make sure that you go ahead and test your microphone. Now, you also want to make sure that you are choosing the right input right here. In my case, as you can see, I have my microphone working, confirming that we have no hardware issues. After making sure that your microphone works, you just want to head over into settings, click on audio, and then you want to choose the right microphone from the audio settings. In my case, I'm using the voice meter right here, so I'm going to be selecting this option right here. Now, the next thing to do is to simply head over into your Steam application, click on settings, and then inside, once again, navigate through voice, and then you can start testing your microphone inside Steam. Once again, you want to make sure that you have selected the right microphone, and from there you will be able to go ahead and simply fix the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.